Lone Nagaland MP Supung Meron Jamir has criticized the BJP-led NDA government for delaying a resolution to the long-standing Naga political problem. The Congress MP stated his party's dedication to securing a swift resolution. Despite having two agreements, the centre has been delaying in finding a solution to the Naga political issue. Instead of early implementation of the two agreements, the union government started changing interlocutor who had already signed the agreements and declared that the peace talks had been completed. Jamie Elite during a press conference at the Congress party office. The central government has engaged in separate negotiations with the National Socialist Council of Nagaland Muiva and Asian IM since 1997 and the Naga National Political Group NNPGs since 2017. A framework agreement was signed with Asian IM on August 3, 2015, followed by an agreed position with NNPGs in December 2017. However, officials cite the Asian IM's demand for a separate constitution and flag for the Nagas as a stumbling block to a final resolution. Jamir also condemned the Nagaland Assembly's decision to operate without an opposition, criticizing the MLAs for forming an opposition-led government. Our party is committed to fighting for an early solution, he stated, affirming Congress' openness to suggestion from NGOs, the government and national workers towards resolving the Naga political issue.